Let's get you up to speed with some breaking news coming in. Former Aam Aadmi Party's Law Minister Somnath Bharti has managed to get bail from the Dwarka court on 1 lakh rupees security and has also been asked to file other formalities. Remember, there are heinous allegations levelled against Somnath Bharti by his ex-wife Lipika. In fact, joining me now is Anusha Soni on the phone line with more details. Anusha, tell us what the court has said at this point.
Somnath Bharti, former Delhi law minister, after being denied any release from the Supreme Court, finally got a bail from Dwarka court. Got a bail on a personal surety bond of about 1 lakh. That's what he'll have to submit to the court. The arguments that went into his favor was, certain parts of the evidence that was with him, because the evidence has been one part of this case which has not been very strong against him. The second was also the fact of his compliance with the Supreme Court order in which the Supreme Court had asked him to surrender. So, of course, that is one argument that goes in his favor. Also, he has assured the police that he will be present at all times for any type of questioning or any type of interrogation. That is one that is the court. And of course,
looks like there's a technical glitch as far as Anusha Soni's connection there is concerned. We'll try and reconnect to her. But joining me now is also Ankit Tyagi, our colleague who follows the Aam Aadmi Party and the camp very closely. Ankit, does this come as a huge relief for Somnath Bharti, or should we just look at it as a temporary breather?
This is a massive relief. I spoke to his family members and they are saying that this couldn't have come at a better time. Somnath Bharti has been in the police custody for almost 2 weeks now. And now he has got a bail, and this is a regular bail that he has got from the trial court in which his case will be heard. So the police interrogation of Somnath Bharti got over last week, and since Saturday, in fact, he was in the judicial custody. Now Somnath Bharti is out on bail. The process from here on would be that the police will now have to file a charge sheet, and then a case, of course, will be heard in the trial court. So till that happens, so far Somnath Bharti will be out on bail till the time there is a decision that is taken on this case.
Also, Ankit, in most of these cases, when it comes to granting of bail, one of the arguments raised by the opposing camp is that they could try and influence witnesses or try and influence the case in some sort of way. Here, since the questioning has already been over, so was that ruled out?
See, that's a usual line to oppose the bail. The police still in the court said that he should not be granted bail. He should be kept in judicial custody because he can influence the witnesses and tamper with evidence. The judge, in fact, and when the defense said that the police, whatever they wanted to recover, whatever statements they wanted from the people, those who they said that were helping Somnath Bharti, that has been done. There is no point keeping him under custody. So that is what the judge has taken into consideration. But Sweta, there are other cases in which Somnath Bharti, especially the Khirki extension case, in which the police is moving very swiftly. Recently, they have filed a charge sheet in that case. They have got permission to prosecute Somnath Bharti on that. So in this case, he may have got a relief, but the problem with Somnath Bharti and the Delhi police are not getting over anytime soon.
Ankit, also take our viewers, through how the Aam Aadmi Party went into a damage control mode on this case.
You see, as soon as these allegations were leveled and the FIR was registered against Somnath Bharti, the party made a very conscious effort to distance themselves from the MLA. They went on ahead and said that it is a personal matter of Somnath Bharti. The party is nowhere involved in this, and that is why the party is in no position to say anything about this case. But yes, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, when Somnath Bharti was on the run, he was not producing himself before the police. He said that he wanted to exercise all his legal options, came down very heavily on Somnath Bharti and said that he is proving to be an embarrassment for the Aam Aadmi Party. So keeping all those things in mind, of course, the party trying to create a one-arm distance as far as Somnath Bharti is concerned. But Bharti so far kept saying that he wants to apprise the Chief Minister of the torture that he is going through in the police custody. So now he is out on the bail. I don't see much change of stance as far as the party is concerned. There might be certain voices that may come out and condemn the kind of behavior, the alleged behavior that Somnath Bharti had to face in police custody. But more than that, I don't see any sort of support politically for Somnath Bharti as of now, till the time this case is disposed of. And if it comes into favor of Somnath Bharti, the party will come out and stand in support. Else, he will have to face the music.
Okay, many thanks, Ankit Tyagi. We'll leave it there for now. But clearly, as Ankit was saying, do not expect clear political voices as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. They have distanced themselves from from the former Law Minister Somnath Bharti's case here. But perhaps there might be a voice or two alleging harassment of Somnath Bharti while in custody. So after 2 weeks in prison for Somnath Bharti, this is a much relief because he has been granted bail on 1 lakh rupee security and other formalities.